I'm in Sendai staying at Coco Hotel Sendai Station West. In this video, I'll show you a quick room tour, the amenities you can use, and why this hotel is actually a very good location. Whether your need is skincare, shopping, food, and syempre, dapat may konbini. This is literally just 2 to 5 minutes walk from the nearest station, so if you're planning a Sendai trip, this is a solid base. Tara, let's go! Hello! This is where we are staying here in Sendai. It's in Coco Hotel West. So merong dalawang Coco Hotel here, merong South and merong West. We are staying in the West one. So this is what it looks like from the outside. And inside, this is the lobby. Yan po, ang lobby niya. Maluwag naman ang lobby. We have just finished checking in. Very fast lang ang pag-check-in dito sa Coco Hotel. Same with many 3-star na Japanese hotels. The amenities are actually here sa ground floor. And you have your coffee and tea, hairbrush. You have shower caps and shaving creams, razor, towels daw dyan. Toothbrush and slipper are also dito sa baba. Ay, nasa room pala ang toothbrush and slippers. The rest are here. Merong hairbrush dito, cotton and cotton swabs, and then mga pang skincare. Ito yung medyo kakaiba. Merong washing cream oils and toner. Okay, simulan na po natin ang ating room tour dito sa Coco Hotel. Buksan na natin siya. Ayan. So, to our left side is, andyan agad yung mga slippers, mga disposable slippers. And then we have hangers here. And ito parang, alam ko, parang antibacterial spray yan for your clothes. To your right would be the mirror. Ayan, full body mirror siya. Pasok muna tayo dito sa room before tayo pupunta ng toilet. Ay, medyo spacious naman pala dito sa loob. Ayan, so this is our bed. So the room that we got is a standard semi-double na bed. And this is a non-smoking room. Important na non-smoking kasi na-try ko na before sa isang smoking na room. As in, amoy yosi talaga, friends. And then you have your robes here. There we have 2. And then right in front of the bed is a TV. Ayan, this is the size of the TV. Just right. Over here on this side naman, facing the door is a desk. So this desk is multi-purpose na siya. On this side, you have a notepad and a pen and then your lamp. You also have your Wi-Fi connection here. Some reminders for house rules and the schedule of your breakfast. Ayan. Telephone. Checkout time is 11 a.m. You have notes for your fridge, key card, and everything. Ayan. Parang reminders yan lahat. And then you have your, cute yung kettle nila, Maliit yung kettle. Ganyan lang siya. Parang pang isang cup lang. And then 2 mugs right here. Ay, hindi. Kettle pala ito. This is for the tea, if I'm not mistaken. Or I don't know. I'm not so sure. Tissue paper na box. The remote. They also have a massage, guys. Look. Ayan, 3,000 yen, 6,000 yen, and 2,800 yen for foot massage. On the bedside naman, andito yung telephone. And then some here, some outlets. Here, outlets niya. Saan pa? Yun lang yung outlet. Dito pala. Mayroon pa outlet dito. This one, I think, is the fridge. Ayan, on natin ang fridge. And then, is there something inside? There's nothing. Very small lang din ang fridge nila. I think parang mga small bottles lang ang kasya here. Let's see if we have a view. Okay. Yan lang ang view natin. Just the street right across. That's it, guys. Ayan. Nothing special naman, but I mean, we're at the center naman of the city, so expected naman na ganito lang din yung magiging view natin. Now, let's check out the toilet. Toilet and bath. Kaya pala merong parang bath salts dun sa ground floor kasi we have a bathtub right here. So let's start with the toilet first. Ayan, this is the toilet. Standard, parang Japanese toilet naman siya na you have your bidet controls right over here. Tapos, the toothbrush is already here in our room. Hindi na natin siya kinuha dun sa first floor. You have a hair dryer, some towels. So this room already serves as the toilet, the bath, and the vanity area already. So all-in-one na siya. Very space-saving, kumbaga. And then on this side naman is the sink. They have what's this? Hand and face soap there. Botanical extracts, hand and face soap. Cold and warm water. The shower naman is ganito lang yung kanilang shower head. But what's important naman ay may cold and warm water. And then the usual na shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. To be fair, ang kanilang bathtub ay malalim. I think it's still going to be comfortable to soak yourself here despite the small space. That is the toilet and bath there. Actually, may surprise pala itong desk natin. So, buksan natin siya. Okay? Let's open the desk. Taran! Oh, meron palang sariling vanity area dito. Akala ko nasa CR na lahat, hindi pala. Ayan. So, you can put your dito, mga cosmetics, ganyan, skincare. And then, you can sit right in front of the mirror as you do your skincare routine. Alright, so one last look at our room before namin siya guluhin. This is our room here at Coco Hotel. Meron ding coin laundry service here sa Coco Hotel West. So, samahan nyo ako, magpa-laundry tayo sa 8th floor. Okay, so this is their laundromat. It's here sa 8th floor. Oh, parang may gumagamit. Okay, here we're using our laundry. So, one washing machine and one dryer lang pala. For their washing machine, the fee is 300 yen. Just make sure na you have 100 yen coins because it only accepts 100 yen coins. And then, ito namang dryer, the fee is 200 yen for 3 minutes. 30 minutes pala. Yan na muna. Tago muna natin yung mga damit kasi may gumagamit pa ng dryer. And then, they only have one dryer, so we'll have to wait for this cycle to finish before we can use it. Just 1 minute walk away from Coco Hotel is Family Mart. It's to your left side and across the street kapag palabas kayo ng hotel. Kung ayaw nyo naman ng Family Mart, gusto nyo 7-Eleven, meron din dito. And again, 1 minute walk lang siya from Coco Hotel. Sobrang convenient, malapit sa mga convenience stores. Right across Coco Hotel West, dito sa Sendai, ay merong mga restaurants. Actually, one major restaurant. Para siyang izakaya. Ayan, right over there. Ayun. So, street na agad ang labas ng Coco Hotel. Parang medyo marami ring mga cafe and bar around the area. As in, parang mga izakaya, inuman place. Ito, like, parang mga 2 to 3 minutes walk away lang from Coco Hotel, si Bar Neo. Tapos, 5 minutes walk lang from Coco Hotel is itong Kliss Road. So, si Kliss Road, para siyang yung San Shibasi area or sa Dotonbori, parang ganun siya dito. Parang mini version of that, di ba? You see the similarity na. May mga shops dito, vintage shops for shopping. Meron din mga restaurants that you can check out. Friends, ginabi na kami dito. Sarado na lahat ng restaurants or karamihan sa mga restaurants and shops. But, looks like itong ramen place na to ay open pa. Ayan, buhay na buhay ang ramen. So, mag-experiment tayo tonight and it's going to be an adventure for dinner. Subukan natin. Miso ramen din. Yung sabaw niya, hindi siya yung usual na ramen. Yan, very thick ramen soup. May nahanap kami na clothing store, vintage and used clothing. Tapat lang ng Coco Hotel. Yung name niya ay Jam. Jam, as in J-A-M. Tapos, guys, look. Ukay-ukay nila to, ha. Pero ang organized. Tsaka parang maganda yung quality ng clothes. This is what the whole place looks like, guys. Tapos wala pa masyadong tao. Ayan, mga used clothing to, mga vintage clothing. Just 1 minute walk away naman from Coco Hotel is Matsumoto Kiyoshi. Ayan, may mga dito, mga skincare. Para siyang drugstore, kumbaga parang Watsons itong si Matsumoto Kiyoshi. Ito yung hinahanap namin here. Anessa na brush on na may SPF 50 pero it's out of stock. Meron kayong mga needs for mga essentials ninyo for your travels, it might be here also. 1 minute away lang from Coco Hotel. So that concludes our stay here sa Coco Hotel West here in Sendai. Overall, it's a pretty comfortable experience naman. The best part about this hotel talaga is its location. It's convenient, it's near convenience stores, it's near mga shopping areas, and there are restaurants around the area, all walking distance lang din. In terms of the room and the amenities, they're pretty standard, at least the one that we booked. No complaints naman so far, and we're actually glad na we were able to use the laundry. Pero at least yung mga underwear nyo, yung mga pantalon nyo, malabhan nyo sila, diba? Especially if you have longer trips. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more hotel reviews like this, please leave a comment, and please like and subscribe for more travel tips and food trips.